वेलकम टू चार्ट ट्रेडर्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में गैप के बारे में बात करेंगे, हाउ द गैप्स आर क्रिएटेड एंड द टाइप ऑफ गैप्स। सो एज यू कैन सी इन अ पिक्चर, these gaps are created due to gap up or gap down. Okay, so as shown in this here, see gaps are created, okay, due to gap down opening. Here also gap down opening, here also gap down opening, here also gap down opening. And the role of these gaps is it will be act as a support and resistance depend on the situation. For example, here we can see these gaps are created. Okay, now this gap will be act as a resistance perfectly. You can see one times, two times it is taking resistance, one, two, three, four, five times it is taking resistance at this point. Okay, so this is known as gap that will be act as a resistance. Even you can see here, once it move up it will be act as a resistance, it will be act as a resistance, so further it will be act as a resistance. Okay, here you can see also at this point, see this is gap is created. Okay, now after down once again came down, now here it will be act as a resistance, here also it will be act as a resistance. Okay, again gap is created, go up, go down, taking support at this point. So always keep in mind a recent gap or gap that will be act as a support and resistance. Okay, so normally there are two types of gaps. One is noise gap and second is pro gap. So we will see what do you mean by noise gap and what do you mean by pro gap. So this gap is known as noise gap that will be created due to gap up opening and gap down opening. Okay, so this is simple a noise gap. So we can see there are two type of gap, one is bullish and second is bearish. So you can see this is known as bullish noise gap when opening is higher than previous closing. Okay, and previous open is higher than previous close, sorry, lower than previous close. So this is known as bullish noise gap, this is known as bearish noise gap. Okay, simple, there are two type of gap. Now we have already seen the example of this bullish and bearish gap, and that will be created during the gap up and gap down. And second is, that is the most important, bullish pro gap and bearish pro gap. Okay, so we can say a previous day is a red candle. Okay, it is correct, previous day is a red candle, next day the price open above the previous day close. So here we can say open is above the previous day close, and price close above the open price means this close is higher than this open to this candle. So whenever we have this gap is known as pro gap. Okay, so open is higher than previous day close and close of current candle is higher than open. Same way bearish pro gap. Okay, when open equal to, when previous day is a green candle and next day price open below the previous day close. Okay, so here it will be closed below the previous day close and close price below the open price, so price will be closed below the open price. So this will be act as a bearish gap, a bullish gap, and this will be act as a bearish gap. Okay, so let's see, find out on a chart bullish pro gap, bearish pro gap. I have opened the Torrent Pharma chart. You can see here open is higher than previous close. Okay, so that is known as bullish pro gap. Okay, so on that day it might be possible, not always, it might be possible we have a strong day. So how to trade pro gap, that we will see later on. First identify the pro gap, bullish pro gap and bearish pro gap on a chart. Second is here also you can see, okay, at this point here open is higher than previous close and on that day there is a green candle. Here also we can see open here, then we have minor movement, then taking support at this point, but it's not a actual, but it is known as pro gap, but it's not actual. Okay, then okay, let's see on another chart, Voltas. Okay, here we have a pro gap, here we have a pro gap. Okay, you can easily see pro gap, then here open is higher than previous close. Okay, here also. Here also at this point we can say open is equal to 570, close is equal to 566. Okay, and this is bearish gap. Close is here, open is below the previous close. Okay, and on that day we have a bearish candle. Okay, on that day we have a bearish candle. We are going to trade on that day, same day when the pro gap is created. How to trade, that we will see in next video. On a Nestle India we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pro gaps are created. That is a bullish pro gap, and you can see the rally on each and every day except this day. Okay, that is a big rally. Same way you can see on ITC. Okay, pro gap, here pro gap created, bullish pro gap, here also, here also. Okay, and that is bullish pro gap. On a Nifty we can see here today it is creating a pro gap here. Okay, and we have a good movement. Also it is creating here bullish pro gap. This is known as novice pro gap. Okay, this is known as novice pro gap. Okay, but this is bullish pro gap. So novice gap, this is a novice. So in Nifty you can see today it is forming a bullish pro gap. Okay, here also pro gap, here also pro gap, and here we can see a novice gap. Okay, so just identify the bullish and bearish pro gap on a chart. Okay, and we will see how to trade using pro gap in the next video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.